Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Alma and you are watching Eternal Bliss. For today's video, I wanted to share with you something really important, something that I consider as crucial and absolutely imperative to the development of your spirituality as well as your attainment of enlightenment or your ability to achieve absolute oneness with every being in this planet, and that would have to be your diet. See, what we consume, what we intake, is extremely important in the development of who we become. When you consume another being, you're also taking in all of their suffering, their muscle memory, their bio memory. You're taking in all of their pain, everything that they've lived, and you're making it part of you. And so therefore, if you are currently consuming other animals in the form of meat, dairy, or animal products, or even wearing leather, then you are becoming that. You are polluting your very own DNA, your very own existence, by intaking the violence, the pain, the suffering of other beings. If you are somebody who is looking to achieve oneness, to feel love, real love for everyone and everything in the planet, to become one and aligned with the whole cosmos itself, then you cannot possibly do this while consuming other beings, while murdering other beings, because that's what happens. Whether you're in the slaughterhouse doing it yourself or not, you are contributing to the slaughter of another being. And so it will be extremely difficult for somebody who consumes other animals to experience real love. For example, if you are the type of person who says, I love animals, I'm an animal lover, I love going to the zoo and watching them. See, that right there is not real love, because you love going to a prison where they are keeping these beings captive outside of their natural habitat. So therefore, you can't say you are an animal lover who loves going to the zoo to watch them. Same thing, you can't say, I love piglets, they're super cute, they're adorable, I want a micro pig for a pet, and I love bacon. It just doesn't make sense, correct? And so, for all of us to be able to experience real love and oneness, we cannot contribute to the slaughter of another animal, to the imprisonment of another being. And so, if you are serious about your spiritual journey, if you're serious about achieving a high vibrational state, if you're serious about ascending to a higher plane or experiencing other dimensions, then you cannot consume other beings and be engaged in any type of violent, uh, traumatic behavior, as the slaughter of these animals is, because this will only weigh you down. Also, if you are somebody who believes in ascension and in having a light body, and it's somebody who is trying to achieve communication with higher vibrational beings, then you have to change your diet. And that is because if you are consuming these dense foods, it's actually holding you down. You cannot purify yourself and achieve a higher state of consciousness if you are consuming foods that are not only meat based and all of that, but also foods with GMOs, that are not organic. It is really important that everything you consume is as organic as possible, because these toxins, whether it be toxins in fluoride in our water, toxins and pesticides in our fruits and vegetables, these also block us from transforming our DNA, from activating other strands of DNA, and from achieving a high vibrational stage, which is what is needed if you are somebody who believes you can ascend or transcend and get yourself out of this Maya matrix. So if this is a message that resonates with you, feel free to comment. Let me know how it is that you are living your life to achieve a higher state of consciousness. If you are somebody who is struggling with changing your diet, with perhaps learning how to maintain a proper, healthy, balanced nutrition, or you are someone who finds it's difficult to change your taste and you don't know what to eat, then let me know and I will be more than happy to assist you with that. I can give you some really good recipes. I can share with you what I personally eat. I am vegan and I'm extremely healthy. I'm very very strong and very fit. And so if you are somebody who is looking to have that type of healthy, fit, active lifestyle on a plant-based diet and you don't know how to do it, then let me know and I'll be happy to help you. If you are somebody who finds this message you know, nonsensical and absurd, I am okay with that, but I do urge you to, you know, really contemplate on what this message is saying. If you are trying to achieve a higher state of consciousness, oneness, experience real love, experience uh, the highest vibrational possible reality in this planet, then just know that you should really consider looking within and seeing what you are consuming and how what you're consuming is becoming you. So that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching, and until next time, see ya.